Question number 1. Who is now as the first Indian astronaut? Correct answer is option A. Rakesh Sharma. Question number 2. The Red Data book is related to which of the following? Correct answer is option B. Endangered species. Question number 3. When was the Post Office Savings Bank started in India for the first time? Correct answer is option B. 1882. Question number 4. In which schedule of the Constitution is the Panchayati Raj system mentioned? Correct answer is option D. 11th. Question number 5. In which year did the first general elections take place in India? Correct answer is option C. 1951 to 52. Question number 6. What is the retirement age of a Supreme Court judge in India? Correct answer is option C. 65 years. Question number 7. The impeachment procedure of the Indian president is based on which country model? Correct answer is option B. USA. Question number 8. Which article of the Constitution provides for the Election Commission? Correct answer is option B. Article 324. Question number 9. Who was the first female governor of an Indian state? Correct answer is option A. Sarojini Naidu. Question number 10. What is the full form of GDP? Correct answer is option A. Gross domestic product. Question number 11. Mount Kosciuszko is located in which country? Correct answer is option C. Australia. Question number 12. Mount Aconcagua is located in which continent? Correct answer is option B. South America. Question number 13. Mount Denali is located in which country? Correct answer is option A. USA. Question number 14. Mount Everest is located in which country? Correct answer is option D. Nepal. Question number 15. Where is India's first glass bridge built over the sea located? Correct answer is option B. Tamil Nadu. Question number 16. Which IIT launched India's first Hyperloop test track? Correct answer is option C. IIT Madras. Question number 17. India's first automated biomedical waste treatment plant was set up in which city? Correct answer is option C. Delhi. Question number 18. Where will India's first white tiger breeding center be set up? Correct answer is option C. Madhya Pradesh. Question number 19. India's first bio-bitumen national highway was inaugurated in which state? Correct answer is option A. Maharashtra. Question number 20. Where is India's first green hydrogen fueling station being set up? Correct answer is option C. Leh. Question number 21. Eritrea, which became the 182 and member of the UN in 1993, is located in? Correct answer is option D. Africa. Question number 32. The sixth organ trusteeship council of the United Nations suspended operation in which year? Correct answer is option C. 1994. Question number 23. Who is now as the missile man of India? Correct answer is option C. APJ Abdul Kalam. Question number 24. Which river is called the Sorrow of Bihar? Correct answer is option B. Kosi. Question number 25. What is the highest waterfall in India? Correct answer is option C, Kuchikal waterfall. Question number 26. In which part of the Indian Constitution are fundamental rights mentioned? Correct answer is option B, part 3rd. Question number 27. Where is India's only active volcano located? Correct answer is option A, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Question number 28. In which year was the Ayush Ministry established? Correct answer is option C, 2014. Question number 29. Champa is a major export flower of which state? Correct answer is option D, Chhattisgarh. Question number 30. Which planet is known as the red planet? Correct answer is option D, Mars. Correct answer is option B, Bangladesh. Question number 32. Right to education was added under which article of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option A, Article 21A. Question number 33. Which country hosted the 2024 Summer Olympics? Correct answer is option B, France. Question number 34. Which Indian state launched the One Family One Job scheme? Correct answer is option A, Sikkim. Question number 35. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? Correct answer is option C, APJ Abdul Kalam. Question number 36. Which river is known as the Saru of Bihar? Correct answer is option B, Kosi. Question number 37. In which year was the Battle of Plassey fought? Correct answer is option A, 1757. Question number 38. Who was the first woman governor of an Indian state? Correct answer is option C, Sarojini Naidu. Question number 39. Which state is the largest producer of wheat in India? Correct answer is option C, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 40. What is the chemical symbol of gold? Correct answer is option B, AU.